Hey guys, welcome back. We're looking at Binance Anti-Phishing Code Guide. So there's a video tutorial here which you can also look up. I'll drop in the link in the description box so you can access. But we'll be reading this article. It says that the anti-phishing code is a security feature on the Binance which is made available to its users to add as an extra layer of security to their account. So once you've been able to activate this anti-phishing code, it will be included in all genuine mails that are sent from Binance to your official mail. So these are some of the facts you want to put into consideration. Now, setting it up involves you completing your KYC, and you can find artificial code settings on the security tab. And it says there's a point where it says create anti-phishing code. Once you click on it, this is the menu you're supposed to see on the security page. So you'll now be prompted with a feed where you can enter the anti-phishing code that you desire. So you get to be the one to choose your anti-phishing code, so you can choose whichever anti-phishing code that is peculiar to you. So you'll now be able to required to enter your Google authentication code or SMS authentication code, depending on which two-factor authentication you have on your account. So once you've inputted it, it will now be activated, and now your future emails will now start utilizing these now to start coming along with this anti-phishing code. However, it is advised that anti-phishing code are being updated on a regular basis on your account. So how to update your anti-phishing code, all you need to do is to go over to the anti-phishing code menu on the securities tab. You see a code that says change code. Click on it and input the new code you wish to utilize on your anti-phishing code. Request for change, and you input the verification code that is sent to your Google authentication or SMS authentication menu, and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, one love, and we do hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube videos. Have any questions, let us know in the comment section. I'll drop the link to in the description box so you can get more access to these. Peace out, stay safe, stay subscribed, and